In the heart of the African savanna, male lions reign as the kings of the wild. Lion, let us explore the power, purpose and significance of the thunderous roars. In this captivating video, you'll witness firsthand the incredible vocal prowess of male lions as they communicate with their pride and assert their dominance. Globe Speaker, discover the secrets behind the deep resonant roars that can be heard from miles away and learn about the vital role these iconic sounds play in the circle of life on the African plains.